Hey guys, welcome to American Redneck. As you can see, I picked up a new toy. It's a 2009 Smart ForTwo Cabrio Passion. It's a 3-cylinder, 1-liter engine in it. And it's fun as hell to drive. So let me change into my attire and let's see what we want to do with this thing. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can see what happens with this thing. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it look pretty. The guy that I got this from, I work with him, so he's a pretty honest guy. So he's done a lot of the oil changes and stuff like that needs to be done. There was a lot of electrical. You put the brake on and the headlights come on. But he's fixed all that stuff. It runs good. It's got a brand new sticker on it. There's no rust on it. Well, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make it, well, the way that I want it to look. So there's a lot of glue and stuff like that from bumper stickers that are on there. I'm going to do that. I'm going to buff it up and polish it. I'm not going to put wax on it right at the moment because basically what I'm going to do with this car is where it's going to be seen everywhere and people stare at it. I'm going to make it, it's a marketing material. So I'm going to put all my marketing stuff right on it. Make it look beautiful. So what I'm going to do is, I added a little bit already, but I'm going to add some more to it. I'll show you. So a lot of this stuff here I've already done a little bit just to make sure it works. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm using some Goo Gone, and I'm just going to spray it on there. Let it soak in. And take this off. So I'm going to use a razor blade. It's all plastic. I don't want to scratch this, but I'm going to take off a lot of this outside stuff here so I can clean it up. So I'm just going to go very lightly in there. Don't yell at me. Now that I get the first layer off, I'm just going to add a little bit more. And that should wipe right off. So yeah, Goo Gone is pretty good. Now this here, there's a couple different ways I'm going to make this look. It is a convertible. The convertible needs new sliders and hooks to go up front. I have to get those. I don't have those now, but what I want to do is I want to put this up to here and put the bars in. So this car is amazing. It's an all-in-one package. So you have the tailgate here. Take this off, and inside here we have storage for the bars that go on the side. So let me get you set up, and we're going to take these and I'm going to install these. So what these are, these go in here. Put it in, click it once, click it twice. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try to figure out, basically we want this to click into here to make it look, oh, awesome. Now to get this up, we do have some of the gears out. I'm not going to go into that to make it so it will move automatically, so I can move it manually. So I'm going to take these front ones here, pull them up. Goes like that. So I have to actually go up there and manually adjust things, and so I can lock it in. I'm going to take the seats out, and we get some seat covers. I went with the black and gray just to make it match the rest of the interior. And it comes with the steering wheel cover. Alright, let me get you set up. We're going to take the seats out, put stuff on it. Yeah, the seat covers, vacuum the inside, make it all look all pretty. And yeah, we'll go from there. I didn't realize it, but these seats have airbags in them. So before and it has heated seats. So before I unplug all that, I'm going to disconnect the battery. Now the battery is down here on the floor. So just get done cleaning the carpets. They're not professional, but they're done in the door jambs. So what I did with this here is I just took a razor blade. Can you see? I took a razor blade and I sliced it down here, just enough so it goes over. Then I took a screwdriver and I shoved it in between there, on both sides. Just sticks out. I don't know, I gotta figure out how to make this tighter. But it looks a lot better than it did. Now when people come up to look at the car, they'll be like, oh, that's nice. Alright, so then on to the next project. Hopefully this is not going to be too long in this video. Where this is apart, of course I want to clean inside there. I am going to put its air horn in it. Hey, I gotta redeem my manhood somehow after buying this car, right? Alright, let me get all set up and we'll start installing the air horn. So watching previous videos that I know that the horn is like right here. So we're going to start by taking off this headlight here. And this is just Torx T25. One there. One is it? There's one more. I think it's underneath. Actually, if I pull up this one over here, it looks like try not to destroy these things. Looks like this whole thing, there's a torque here and a torque there. This whole thing will just come out of the way. Well, there's one, two, three things in here. I don't know if you pull them up or push them down. You can't get your finger in there to pull that up. Of course, I don't want to break anything in the front here. A good thing this is not a video about how to tear apart your smart car. Alright, we're all hooked up, ready to test it out. Yeah. So, I want to test it out before I show you what I've done, just in case it doesn't work. Are you ready? It works. It's all put back together and ready to go.